Do you need a new truck body today? Are you getting frustrated that truck dealers will sell you a truck body but they won't deliver for several months or longer? The reason is because they don't have the truck bodies in stock. These truck bed dealers have to order them from the manufacturer and then wait till the manufacturer produces the bodies and then ships those truck bodies to them, which might be another few months or more to waste time, and time is money, and you need your truck bed in stock now. You can't wait around. You wait, you lose money. Fortunately, you're in luck because there is a truck body dealership that has almost every truck body in stock, from CM Truck Beds to SH Truck Beds, formerly Swampy Hollow Truck Beds, and more. Because the pandemic has created shortages in supplies that has a cascading effect on manufacturers who are left without the necessary supplies to deliver a finished product. So as the wait continues for the manufacturer, the time to get those supply gets longer and longer, and raw resources continue to become more and more scarce. A huge pent-up demand for truck bodies grows, as do the prices for those in-demand truck bodies. These bodies will more than likely continue to go up and up while the in-stock inventory goes down and down. Don't be put in a bad position where you don't have the tools necessary to do your job. People depend on you to follow through, and we are here to help you any way we can. In fact, you can take a look at our inventory online at frontlinetruckbodies.com or give Frontline Truck Bodies a call at 717-444-8263.